Welcome! In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Beyond, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and then you can press the side button again to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the option called system settings and tap on it. And here tap on the reset option and then tap on OK to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see the QR code on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.